Hey guys, so we have so much bullish news almost every day since last week. And first of all, let's talk about NFTs because it looks like NFTs are starting to come back. And here you can see on Google Trends, if you search the search term NFT, here you can see we are on a rise for the last basically since December for the few months. And we are actually breaking out. If you are looking at the last 5 years, so here you will see the major bull run 2021, 2022, and there was so long dip that it was going lower and lower and lower. And right now you can see it is actually going up, which is quite insane because I don't feel the NFT pump overall. But if you're looking at the OpenSea today, there is basically so much going on. CryptoPunks pumping, Bored Ape Yacht Club pumping, and remember these are huge prices, 30,000 floor price, and it basically went up by 8%. We have even 29% gains in NFTs. So look out for NFTs because this trend line is going up, and Bitcoin is doing fine, 88,000. I like the number 88. And I hope we will not go lower than that. I hate 84 levels, which was so annoying to see almost every day. So I hope 88,000 and higher. So if you're looking at the news, BlackRock basically told Bloomberg that Bitcoin could hit 700,000 if sovereign wealth funds allocate just 2 to 5% to Bitcoin. Also, BlackRock expanded to Solana. That's why I think Solana will be going high sooner rather than later. And Solana, by the way, is going up the most in the last 7 days, 17% comparing to other blockchains. And yeah, BlackRock is also bullish on Ethereum. Their spokesperson told that people are basically too bearish on Ethereum. Doesn't make sense. Next news is that Nikita Beer will join Solana, which is insane. This guy's basically selling companies to Facebook, basically creating companies. He knows what he's doing, and he's basically a real deal. Joining Solana. That's why Solana is not going away. The biggest meme coin blockchain will still be the biggest meme coin blockchain. Let's see if he can pull off something legit, because as you know, nobody is yet building anything as big as on Ethereum. But looking at the fact that Nikita Beer and BlackRock is joining, and I mean not joining but working on their own projects on Solana, is insane. That's why Solana is here to stay. Even if it dumps back in the next bear market, it will come back even stronger. That's my opinion, and this video is not a financial advice. The next thing is that SEC closed its investigation into Immutable, IMX, the gaming chain, and it basically is pumping on the news. The pump is not that big, only 15%, but this is a high-ranking crypto project, $1 billion in market cap. If you are looking at crypto fundraising, big money going into crypto projects. In the last basically 6 days, we have $1.9 billion going into a crypto projects, crypto startups. And of course, it is happening because there are no blocks no more for the crypto companies to build, to expand. There are no more debanking from Biden administration. That's why it just makes sense that this basically crypto space will flourish in the next 4 years. Here you can see 200 million invested in MoonPay from Galaxy. Crazy. NinjaTrader bought by Kraken. So what makes me bullish is that basically centralized exchanges are investing their money back into a crypto space, not outside. So they are basically themselves bullish and wanting to expand and develop this space. And yeah, looking at the regulations that are basically cancelled, all the SEC investigations are basically being cancelled means that we will see more and more of this happening. And yeah, again, Bitcoin is pumping 88,000. Let's hope we see 90,000. It will be a nice number to see in the next few days. And next and the last news is that USA spot Bitcoin ETFs have had 7 consecutive days of inflows. So really bullish. I don't know about Ethereum, but still, I think I am the most bullish on Ethereum because nobody is really that bullish. But that's what makes me bullish, because you have to go against the grain in crypto. That's usually what happens. Nobody is believing in something and then it suddenly goes up like crazy. And yeah, if you're looking at top gainers today, here you can see we have some meme coins like Cat, Venice project. We have some AI projects, Moment, which is one of the Trump World Liberty Finance investments. That's why it will go up, and it will go up even more if we are in a proper bull run. LimeWire, GigaChad, Immutable, Kikius Maximus. I don't know if Elon Musk is mentioning it because I'm not really following the Elon Musk. Keyboard Cat, base meme coins. I still hope Dog in Me will be listed soon because I am buying the dips. I am just, I think this will go insane as it is listed on Coinbase, similar to Toshi. $85 million, still a quite low market cap for the potential, because Toshi went to 900 million after it was listed. So if this does a 10x or even 5x, I would be quite happy. So let's hope for the best. And yeah, insane times. Countries are bullish. BlackRock is bullish. Banks are adopting Bitcoin and crypto. That's why don't fade this space. I think crypto will catch up to global liquidity soon, and we will see a huge pumps. Let's see what will happen on April 2nd when Trump basically announces some more tariffs. I won't be surprised if we go down for a short term, because everyone is expecting and everyone is already understanding that after the tariff panic, we go back to the normal levels, 88,000. I think these will be the last huge tariffs. He's basically making a deals. And after that, we will see basically the global liquidity run up. And yeah, again, BlackRock, all the institutions, biggest institutions in the world are adopting Bitcoin and crypto. Don't fade that. There has never been something like this. And this is the most bullish crypto USA administration in the history. So yeah, the next 4 years will be insane. I will be making videos daily. I'm posting on Patreon daily all the news, all the alpha. So if you don't want to miss any upcoming alpha, you can join my Patreon. The link is in the description. It is only $10 a month. Why $10? Is because I am posting all the alpha right here first. It basically takes time to post on YouTube, a few hours, maybe a few days if I am absent or I'm not at my PC. But for Patreon, I can post from everywhere, post in few seconds. If there's something huge, I will post it, and my basically community will see the news before everyone else. So yeah, let's hope for the crypto euphoria. Right now, altcoins are basically, overall altcoins are stagnating. Bitcoin is going back, but here you can see Ethereum still at 2,000, which is really, really low. Solana at 145. So we are still yet to recover. And yeah, so let's hope for the best and don't fade the space. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, you get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.